Hey guys, this is a Single 900, and I'm here with a review of the cs40's stereo headphones from Ear Pollution by iFrogs. Let's see, I got this from Walmart for about $29.88, about $30. Pretty cheap. 40mm driver. It's a foldable design. And aerial foam cushions. Those cushions right there. It is by Ear Pollution again, created by iFrogs. It's really nice actually. It's a 3.5mm plug, of course. Right here it says its information about specification. It says driver unit 40mm, impedance about 32, and let's see, it says sensitivity, it says right here sensitivity 116 dB plus underscore 3 dB, frequency response about 20 Hz to about 20 kHz. The cord length is about 1.6 meters. The plug is about 3.15mm. It's lightweight headphones with aerial foam cushions, and it's pretty good. I got it at Walmart. The box is actually packed pretty sloppy, which I think is bad, because I guess somebody took them out and used them at Walmart. Alright, let's get the unboxing done. Here we go. See, look at that. It just came right off. Bad. Look at that. The plastic's like dude, that's pretty bad. Not good. I'm gonna have to talk to Walmart about that. About its packaging and everything. Last time I bought a pair of headphones and they were broken, and I didn't even take them out of the pack. And I took them out of the pack, I used them and none of them worked. And I looked over the instructions manual and it didn't say anything about an on-off switch. It didn't have any batteries like Dr. Trey Beats. Look at that, it just came right off. I gotta talk to Walmart about that. Okay, here's the headphones. All this crap. Look, plastic came right off and I didn't even touch it. Here are the headphones. Pretty nice. They actually are lightweight. Let's see, cushions. Real soft. I wish they were over the ear instead. Let's see. It says right here, Ear Pollution. It's pretty nice actually. It's like platinum, but not real platinum. And it's got the little left-right symbol, left, and that one thing to make the headphones a lot bigger if you got a big head and fence. What the? Oh, that's right, they said they fold up. And it said this could do this. Oh, wow. It's true. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's folded up. I guess nobody wanted to go. It's all white. I like the color white and black. So, yeah. I'll make a bass test and a leakage test on this in a different video, because right now I'm a little bit tired. Okay, thanks guys for watching. This is Ear Pollution by iFrogs, cs40's. It says right here, Ear Pollution Comfort Series. It's got its little symbol. And well, thanks guys for watching. Subscribe for more. Like this video, comment, rate. You know what to do.